Aryan slug is a group of large land slugs found mainly in Europe. They belong to the family Arianidae and are commonly known as roundback slugs. Key facts: scientific genus, Aryan type, terrestrial gastropod mollusk, shellless snail. Habitat: gardens, forests, grasslands, and agricultural areas. Diet: decaying plant material, fungi, fruits, vegetables, and sometimes living plants. Size: depending on the species, adults can reach 5 to 15 centimeters in length. Activity: most active during damp weather and at night. Common species: Aryan vulgaris. An invasive species in many parts of Europe. Aryan rufus, large reddish-brown slug. Aryan ader, usually black, brown, or orange in color. Ecological role: help break down dead organic matter and recycle nutrients. Serve as food for birds, beetles, hedgehogs, and other wildlife. Interesting fact: unlike snails, Aryan slugs do not have an external shell. They protect themselves by producing large amounts of mucus, which helps them move and discourages predators. If you meant a specific Aryan slug species, let me know which one and I can provide more detailed information. Body is soft, elongated, and lacks an external shell. Colors vary by species and can include black, brown, red, orange, yellow, or mottled shades. They have 2 pairs of tentacles. Upper pair carries the eyes. Lower pair is used for smell and touch. Produce a thick mucus trail that helps movement and prevents dehydration. Life cycle: eggs are laid in moist soil, under stones, logs, or leaf litter. Juveniles hatch after several weeks. Growth continues through feeding and molting. Most species live about 1 to 2 years, depending on climate and species. Feeding habits: Aryan slugs are mostly nocturnal and feed on decaying leaves and organic matter, mushrooms and fungi, fruits and vegetables, seedlings and young plants, occasionally dead insects or other animal material. Because of this diet, they can be both beneficial decomposers and troublesome garden pests. Reproduction: most Aryan slugs are hermaphrodites, possessing both male and female reproductive organs. During mating, 2 slugs exchange sperm. Both individuals may later lay eggs. A single slug can produce hundreds of eggs over its lifetime. Natural predators: birds, especially thrushes and blackbirds, beetles and beetle larvae, hedgehogs, frogs and toads, some small mammals and reptiles. Ecological importance: accelerate decomposition of dead plant material, help recycle nutrients back into the soil, form an important food source for many animals, influence fungal and plant communities through feeding. Agricultural impact: the invasive Aryan vulgaris can cause significant damage to lettuce, cabbage, strawberries, potatoes, various ornamental plants. Large populations may destroy young crops and garden plants, especially during wet seasons. Defense mechanisms: produce copious, sticky mucus that makes them difficult for predators to handle. Can contract their body and hide under vegetation or debris. Some species display warning coloration, such as bright orange or red tones. Interesting facts: slugs can detect food using chemical cues from several meters away. Their mucus has inspired research into bioadhesives for medical applications. They can lose a significant amount of body water and still survive if conditions improve.